Thank you for watching this week's episode of Focus Integration's video notes on Beyond the Dashboards. For more information on these topics, please visit our website at focusintegration.com.
What if I told you that the biggest threat to manufacturing isn't what you think? It's not robots or automation. It's a massive shortage of skilled workers. Today, we're going to break down this skills gap crisis and look at a pretty groundbreaking solution that could totally revolutionize the factory floor. So let's get right into it. This statement right here is a huge wake-up call. For years, the industry has tried to plug the skills gap by just, hiring more people. But that's like trying to fill a leaky bucket with a tiny cup. It just doesn't work. The problem is systemic, and it needs a real systemic solution. The alarm bells on this have been ringing for years, but now the fire is at our doorstep. The manufacturing skills gap is no longer some future problem to worry about down the road. It's a full-blown crisis, and it's crippling production lines right now, today.
And to put that into perspective, we're not just talking about a little bump in the road. Some experts are calling this the biggest labor disruption since the Industrial Revolution. I mean, think about that. It's a seismic shift that's forcing us to rethink everything we thought we knew about running a factory.
It's really a perfect storm of problems. Just picture this. You've got a master craftsman who's been at the same factory for 40 years. He knows every machine like the back of his hand, every quirk, every shortcut, but he's about to retire. And all that crucial, unwritten knowledge, well, it's about to walk right out the door with him. And that's the reality for thousands of factories right now.
So, what does happen when the last of the old guard retires? What happens when the institutional knowledge of an entire generation just disappears? Well, the answer is a catastrophic chain reaction that can bring a whole factory to its knees. And that skills gap? It isn't just a headache for the HR department. No, it's a dagger aimed right at the heart of the bottom line. The costs are absolutely staggering, and they're hitting factories exactly where it hurts the most. And this slide, wow, it paints a pretty grim picture of that domino effect. You can almost hear the gears grinding to a halt as mistakes pile up and downtime skyrockets. You can feel the tension on the factory floor as morale just plummets and your best people start heading for the exits. It's this vicious cycle that is just sucking the life out of the manufacturing industry.
Okay, but it's not all doom and gloom. There is a light at the end of this tunnel, and it's called a digital factory operating system. It's a totally revolutionary approach that's poised to turn the tide and really usher in a new era of manufacturing.
So what on earth is a DFOS? Well, think of it like the conductor of an orchestra. It brings together all the different instruments, the people, the machines, the quality processes, and gets them all playing in perfect harmony. It's the secret sauce that can turn a chaotic factory into a truly well-oiled machine. A DFOS connects every single aspect of the factory. It gives clear, digital guidance for your workers, it provides real-time monitoring of your machines, it embeds quality checks directly into the workflow, and it communicates what's going on instantly across the entire factory. But how does a piece of technology actually solve a human skills gap? The answer is simple, but it's also pretty profound. It transforms knowledge from something fleeting, something that could walk away, into a permanent part of the factory's DNA. You see, that tribal knowledge we talked about, it's like a secret family recipe that's only passed down by word of mouth. It's super valuable, but it's also incredibly vulnerable. If the person who knows the recipe leaves, it's just gone forever. A DFOS is like a master cookbook that has every single recipe, perfectly documented so that anyone can make the perfect dish every single time.
And the impact on training is nothing short of revolutionary. I mean, can you imagine cutting your new hire onboarding time in half? That is the kind of power we're talking about. New employees can go from zero to hero in a fraction of the time, without sacrificing quality or safety one bit.
So how does it work its magic? Well, it's all about making the process as easy and intuitive as possible. Think of it like a GPS for the factory floor. It gives workers turn-by-turn directions, so they never get lost. It alerts them to potential hazards, so they stay safe. And it gives them real-time feedback, so they know they're always on the right track. But a DFOS isn't just about training. It's about building the factory of the future. It's about creating a manufacturing ecosystem that's not just efficient, but also resilient, adaptive, and, ready for whatever comes next. And hey, if you're tired of playing whack-a-mole with quality control across multiple factory sites, a DFOS is about to be your new best friend.
It creates a single source of truth, a universal standard for excellence, making it possible to build a truly scalable, global manufacturing powerhouse.
At the end of the day, this isn't just about the machines. It's about the people who operate them. And let's be honest, working in a chaotic, confusing factory is just a recipe for burnout. The constant stress, the lack of support, the fear of making a mistake, it's enough to make anyone want to quit.
A DFOS is a complete game changer for those frontline workers. It's like having a personal coach right there in your pocket, guiding you through every step of the process. It's about empowering people to do their best work without all the stress and anxiety that comes from a chaotic environment.
In short, a DFOS is the ultimate toolkit for building a world-class manufacturing operation. It's the key to unlocking the full potential of your people, your machines, and your entire organization.
The future of manufacturing isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. It's about embracing technology to create a workplace where people can thrive and where innovation can flourish. The skills gap is a challenge, for sure, but it's also an opportunity to build a better, brighter future for the entire manufacturing industry.
Thank you for watching this week's episode of Focus Integration's video notes on Beyond the Dashboards. For more information on these topics, please visit our website at focusintegration.com.